Hi, today I will cook chicken tenders. First, we prepare the chicken breast mini fillets. Pound the breasts gently on both sides using a mallet. Add salt and pepper on both sides. Add 4 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and mix well. Add flour on a plate and breadcrumbs on the other. Put each slice of breast first in flour, then egg, then in the breadcrumbs. Put them in hot oil and fry for 3 minutes. They should look golden brown on each side. Serve with salad or fries. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for new receipts.